on the board. You know you're driving me crazy. Anticipating the taste of your lips, yeah, I'm craving. No hesitating. Whoa. Drop it down to the floor, making me want you more. Come on and be explored. Possessing me more. I'ma take you to the bar. You know you want it. Take it down to my cabana. Isla Morada. Puedes ver si no tocar. Puedes ver pero no tocar.
Hello pupils. So thanks again for joining me for the today's session, which is differentiation of exponential functions for O-level students. So differentiation of exponential function. So the rule says derivative of e to the power of fx, it's e to the power of fx multiplied by the derivative of the power, that is the derivative of fx. So if you have derivative of e to the power of 4x, it's e to the power of 4x multiplied by the derivative of 4x. Derivative of 4x, which is 4. Final answer, 4 e to the power of 4x. Next example. Derivative of e to the power of 2 minus 7x. Here the power is 2 minus 7x. The answer is e to the power of 2 minus 7x multiplied by the derivative of 2 minus 7x. Derivative of a constant is 0, so derivative of 2 is 0, and derivative of minus 7x is minus 7. Final answer, minus 7 e to the power of 2 minus 7x. Third example, derivative of e to the power of 2x squared. Here the power is 2x squared. The answer is e to the power of 2x squared multiplied by the derivative of the power, that is derivative of 2x squared. So derivative of 2x squared is 4x. Final answer, 4x e to the power of 2x squared. Next example, derivative of e to the power of cos 2x. We have seen in our last video how to differentiate trigonometrical functions. Now it's high time to apply it. So derivative of e to the power of cos 2x, it's e to the power of cos 2x multiplied by the derivative of cos 2x. So derivative of cos 2x, it's minus sine 2x multiplied by the derivative of 2x. So derivative of 2x is 2. The final answer is minus 2 sine 2x e to the power of cos 2x. So here we have to bear in mind that the derivative of cosine functions gives a minus sine functions. So derivative of cos 2x gives minus sine 2x times 2. So the fifth example, derivative of a e to the power of fx, that is you have a constant in front of the function e. The answer is a multiplied by e to the power of fx multiplied by the derivative of fx. So it's no big deal if you have a constant in front of the function, that is 4 e to the power of 1 minus sine 2x. The power here is 1 minus sine 2x. So the derivative is 4 multiplied by e to the power of 1 minus sine 2x multiplied by the derivative of 1 minus sine 2x. So the derivative of 1 is 0, and derivative of minus sine 2x is minus cos 2x multiplied by the derivative of 2x. The derivative of 2x is 2. The final answer, minus a e to the power of 1 minus sine 2x cos 2x. The next example, derivative of 2 e to the power of tan squared x. The power here is tan squared x. So the answer is 2 multiplied by e to the power of tan squared x multiplied by the derivative of tan squared x. Derivative of tan squared x is 2 tan x multiplied by the derivative of tan x. So derivative of tan x is sec squared x. Final answer, it's 4 tan x sec squared x e to the power of tan squared x. Next example. Derivative of 3 e to the power of cos squared x. So here we have to differentiate cos squared. We need to be very careful. So the answer is 3 multiplied by e to the power of cos squared x multiplied by the derivative of the power, that is the derivative of cos squared x. Now, derivative of cos squared x is 2 cos x multiplied by the derivative of cos x. So here derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So our final answer is minus 6 e to the power of cos squared x cos x sin x. So derivative of 2 e to the power of sine cube x. So here we have power sine cube x. So we proceed. It's 2 multiplied by e to the power of sine cube x multiplied by the derivative of sine cube x. Derivative of sine cube x is 3 sine squared x multiplied by the derivative of sine x, which is cos x. So the final answer here is 6 sine squared x cos x e to the power of sine cube x. So here derivative of e to the power of minus x plus 1 into bracket multiplied by e to the power of 3x plus 2 into bracket. So how to proceed here? We'll have to remove bracket, that is multiply, then simplify, and at the last stage, we are going to differentiate. So it's e to the power of minus x times e to the power of 3x plus e to the power of minus x times 2 plus 1 times e to the power of 3x plus 1 times 2. Now, according to law of indices, e to the power of minus x multiplied by e to the power of 3x, it's e to the power of 2x. So differentiating e to the power of 2x, it's e to the power of 2x multiplied by the derivative of 2x plus 2 to the power of e minus x multiplied by the derivative of minus x plus e to the power of 3x multiplied by the derivative of 3x. And derivative of the constant 2 gives 0. So final answer, 2 e to the power of 2x minus 2 e to the power of minus x plus 3 e to the power of 3x. Next example. So here if we have to differentiate 3 upon e to the power of 2x plus 4 e to the power of 2x plus 3x. So the rule of the differentiation says no differentiation on the denominator. So we have to rearrange the term. Now 3 upon e to the power of 2x can be written as 3 e to the power of minus 2x. Now we are ready for differentiation. So derivative of 3 to the power of e minus 2x is 3 e to the power of minus 2x multiplied by the derivative of minus 2x plus 4 e to the power of 2x multiplied by the derivative of 2x, and derivative of 3x is 3. So we have final answer, as answer 3 e to the power of minus 2x times minus 2 plus 4 e to the power of 2x times 2 plus 3. Final answer, minus 6 e to the power of minus 2x plus 8 e to the power of 2x plus 3. So here we have to differentiate square root of 2x plus 3 e to the power of 2x. So here, rearranging the terms, it's 2x plus 3 e to the power of 2x to the power of half. So how to differentiate? Bring the half down, subtract 1 from the power, that is half minus 1 is minus half, and then differentiate the function, that is differentiate 2x plus 3 e to the power of 2x. So differentiating 2x gives 2. Differentiating 3 e to the power of 2x, it's 6 e to the power of 2x. So final answer, 2 plus 6 e to the power of 2x divided by 2 square root 2x plus 3 e to the power of 2x. The next example. So here we have to differentiate square root of 3x plus e to the power of cos x. So same principle, rearrange the term. Differentiating 3x plus e to the power of cos x to the power of half. How to differentiate? Simple, bring the half down. Subtract 1 from the power and multiply by the derivative of the function. So derivative of 3x is 3. Derivative of e to the power of cos x, it's e to the power of cos x multiplied by the derivative of cos x. Now, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So we have the final answer, 3 minus sin x e to the power of cos x divided by 2 upon square root 3x plus e to the power of cos x. So as summary, we can say that differentiation of e to the power of fx is equal to e to the power of fx multiplied by the derivative of fx. So that brings us to the end of our lesson for today. Hope you have enjoyed. So from me, it's goodbye. See you soon.
I'm crazy, no hesitating. Come to the floor, you really want some more.